Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive into all things beauty, and I'm excited to be reviewing a product that promises to transform your lash game, Covergirl Professional Remarkable Mascara in Very Black. If you've ever struggled with mascara smudging or disappearing midday, you're probably wondering if this product lives up to the hype. Does it really stay put all day long, or does it need constant touch-ups? Let's see if it's as remarkable as it claims. But before we get into the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more honest reviews like this one. This mascara is designed to give you bold, defined lashes that last. It's smudge-proof, so it resists those annoying smears we all know too well. The goal here is all-day wear without the need for constant reapplication, and it washes off easily with just soap and water. As far as the formula goes, this mascara is built for long-lasting wear without the heaviness or flaking that many long-wear mascaras can leave behind. The wand is designed to coat each lash evenly, and I've found that it does just that without clumping. Let's talk about real-world use. I've tested this over several days, both in regular office settings and during more active moments, like running errands or even a quick workout. I noticed right away that the formula didn't budge, even in more humid environments. I'm the type of person who often forgets about my makeup halfway through the day, so I'm always happy to find a product that stays in place without constantly checking the mirror. I also really appreciate how easily it comes off at the end of the day. You know how some mascaras can leave behind those stubborn raccoon eyes? Not here. It rinses away without much effort, leaving no residue. In terms of performance, this mascara definitely delivers on its promises. It darkens and defines the lashes beautifully, giving them that wow factor without feeling too heavy or stiff. If you're someone who loves voluminous lashes but dislikes the cakey, crunchy texture that some mascaras can leave, this formula might just be your new best friend. But, like with any product, there are a few things worth mentioning. While it does provide definition, the volume isn't as intense as some other mascaras I've used. If you're looking for a more dramatic look, you may need to layer it a few times. The brush is effective, but may take a little getting used to if you're used to a more traditional wand shape. For the price, this mascara is a great option. It's a drugstore product, so it's affordable, and you're getting a formula that works well without breaking the bank. In fact, if you're someone who doesn't want to spend a fortune on high-end mascaras, this is an excellent alternative that competes with some of the pricier options out there. Now, if you're someone who needs that extra oomph and volume, there are other mascaras you can try that might fit the bill. But if long-lasting, smudge-free wear is your priority, I'd say this is one of the best at its price point. Overall, I'm impressed with Covergirl Professional Remarkable Mascara. It's a solid everyday mascara that does exactly what it promises: defines, darkens, and stays put all day long. It's an ideal choice for anyone looking for a reliable mascara without the high-end price tag. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you've used this mascara or have any other favorites you'd like to recommend, drop a comment below. Let's keep the beauty conversation going. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.